Hello children, today I'll teach you art and craft. Yes, all are ready? All are ready to learn art and craft? Yes, now which art I am going to teach you all? Which art I am going to teach you all? I'll teach you to make a caterpillar. Come on, look here. Caterpillar. What is this, Nana? This is a caterpillar. Yes. So to prepare this, we need what do we need? Yes, we need glaze papers, color glaze papers. We need color glaze papers of different colors. Now I'll show you. Yes, now look here. Different color glaze papers are here. Can you see, children? Yes. Now what you must do? You must put all these color glaze papers now of different colors. Now green, white, red, white. Yes, again pink. What is this? Orange. So these all glaze papers. What you do? You put together. Come on, I'll show you. Put together. Yes, children? Now what you do? Put like this together and take a round shape bowl or any round shape and put like this. Yes. Then what you do? Take a marker. Yes. Take a marker and draw a line. Draw a line around the shape. Yes, object like this. Draw a line. Done, everyone? Yes, now see, circle shape is formed on the papers. Now what you do? You must cut the papers in circle shape. Yes, now I'll show. Yes, I'm cutting the papers. And the papers are ready for you all. See, like this. Cut all the papers like this. Yes, then what you do? You must take the scrapbook. Yes, take the scrapbook. Look here. You know scrapbook? You all have scrapbooks like this. You have scrapbooks like this, children? Yes. Now open the scrapbook. Of any page. See, open the scrapbook like this. Now what you do? You will do, you take the circles on one circle. On one circle. What you do? You draw caterpillar's nose and its mouth like this with any sketch pen. See, look here. You draw caterpillar's mouth and nose. Then what you'll do? Children? You must paste eyes. Yes, you must paste eyes. You know eyes? Yes, these are Google eyes. For pasting. We use these eyes for art and craft pictures. So, take a toothpick. Yes, now see. Put 2 dots on the toothpick with Fevicol. Done? Then paste these eyes on the Fevicol. See, look here. Like this. Now another eye. Yes, see, your caterpillar face is ready. Now cut the shape of 2 ears. Like this. See, cut the shape. Then what you do? Then you stick back side of the eyes like this. Look here. Can you see what it is doing here? You stick like this. These are 2 These are two ears of caterpillar. Look here. Yes, children? Look here, everyone. Look here. See? Yes. See? Look here. Yes. So, now your caterpillar face is ready. What you must do? You must first take the caterpillar in a corner of your face scrapbook. Yes, see, like this. See, look here, everyone. Then stick another paper. Yes, stick another paper aside. Then again apply glue, little bit of glue. Again stick another paper, color papers. Yes, now again stick the glue here. Then paste another one. Look there. See how beautiful your caterpillar is going with the color papers. Yes. Now see, stick here another one. Then again stick here. See. Now another color. Another circle. Yes. See, I have stick another color here. Now if you want more long, you can stick more circles. See, you can stick more circles. See how nice your caterpillar is. Is your caterpillar looking good? So at the end of the pages, stick here that your caterpillar doesn't move from here. Yes. Then what you do? Do caterpillar have legs, children? Yes, caterpillar also have legs. So stick the legs like this. Apply the glue. Apply the glue here. Here. End of the two circles and paste the legs like this. See, like this. See, caterpillar legs are ready. It's about to move. Caterpillar legs are ready. Yes, it is about to move. Where it is about to move? It is about to move for eating. Yes, what does caterpillar likes to eat, children? It likes to eat leaves. Yes, it likes to eat leaves. See, your caterpillar legs are ready. Now this side also we will paste. Okay. Now apply the glue at the end of the two circles. Yes. Then join the legs like this. Join the legs like this. Then join the legs again. See? Even animals, insects, birds, everything have legs. See? Is your caterpillar ready now? Yes. Now where it is going, Nana? Where it is moving? It is moving to eat a leaf. See? It is moving to eat a leaf. Look at that leaf here. Caterpillar favorite food is green. Leafies. Green leaves. Yes. So, caterpillar is ready for you now. Yes, children? So, what do you need for preparing a caterpillar? You need glazed papers, color glazed papers. Cut it into circles. Yes, cut it into circles. And what you do? Cut it into circle and draw a smiley face on caterpillar, one circle, and draw the ears like this and paste Google eyes. Then join all the circles. Then after joining the circles, what you will do? You will join the legs. Yes, and you paste caterpillar's favorite food. Yes, do in the scrapbook. Done, children? Yes.